In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail offline on laptop or PC. If you travel a lot, work in spots with spotty Wi-Fi, or just want peace of mind when the internet drops, Gmail's offline mode can keep you productive. It works best in Google Chrome, so if you have that installed, use it for the smoothest experience. Start by opening your web browser again. Chrome is recommended and sign into your Gmail account. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings to get the full menu. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Click the one labeled Offline. Here's where you turn everything on. Check the box that says Enable Offline Mail. This tells Gmail to save a copy of your recent messages on your computer so you can use them without an internet connection. Next, choose how many days of mail you want available offline, such as the last 7, 30, or 90 days. The more days you select, the more space it will use on your device, so pick what fits your workflow and storage limits. You'll also see an option to include attachments. Attachments can be convenient to have offline, but they take up significantly more space. If your storage is limited, you might skip syncing attachments or choose fewer days of mail. If you handle lots of files and have plenty of space, enabling attachments can be worth it. Scroll to the section about offline data on your computer. You can decide whether to keep the offline data after you log out or remove it for privacy. If you're on a shared or work computer, removing data is usually safer. On your own device that only you use, keeping it can save time and avoid re-downloading. When your choices look right, click Save Changes. Gmail will begin syncing in the background. The first sync may take a few minutes depending on how much mail you selected and whether you included attachments. Once setup is complete, using Gmail offline is simple. Even without internet, go to mail.google.com in the same browser profile you used to set it up. You'll be able to read and search the messages that were synced, compose new emails, and delete or archive mail. Anything you send while offline will appear in the outbox. As soon as you reconnect, Gmail will automatically send those messages and update your inbox with anything new. A couple of quick tips: avoid clearing your browser's stored data if you want to keep offline mail, and remember that search only works on the messages you synced. That's it. Now you can keep working in Gmail, even when the internet can't.